The Mashungubira has leaked a confidential internal memo authored by Zambia's leading financier KUTYA Tagwirei, in which the controversial billionaire makes a forceful case for his appointment to the party's central committee. Zanabena mashoko arikuda panapa achiexposa aiwa a leak iri kuonekwa, a memo iri kupusha for KUTYA Tagwirei co-option in the appointment to the central committee. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The memo titled "Redefining Revolutionary Leadership in the Global Capitalist Era" is about ideological pitch that re-imagines Zambia's future is one guided not only by liberation credentials but also by economic power wielded by patriotic black capitalists. Tagwirei argues that his inclusion into the central committee is vital for the party's evolution, drawing on models from China's Communist Party, South Africa's ANC, the Rwanda's Kagame-led administration, where business leaders are embedded into political decision-making. In quotes, "We find ourselves at a critical crossroads," Tagwirei writes. "The modern struggle is not fought in the trenches, but in the boardrooms, on the trading floors, and in investment corridors. From private billionaire to public strategist, the leaked document refutes Tagwirei's frustration with what he describes as Zambia's procedural orthodox, which he claims welcomes his billions behind closed doors but rejects his leadership voice in formal structures." In the leaked notes, Tagwirei draws heavily on global examples: China, the Communist Party's integration of figures like Jack Ma into advisory bodies; South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa's shift from business to ANC leadership; Rwanda, Kagame's deliberate placement of entrepreneurs at the center of the national policy. These movements recognize that economic minds are not a threat to revolution, they are the next phase of it, he writes. He proposes a new ZANU-PF philosophy, Pan-African economic nationalism, a blend of liberation history with modern wealth creation, where black capital is placed at the heart of political authority and social transformation. Do mashiko ari kubuda panguva inoi ayanskonkonza aiwa kuda kwechitagwirei aiwa they are now drawing examples anoitika kunana Rwanda, South Africa pamwe chete neChina vachiti aiwa these businessmen and the placement of entrepreneurs at the center of national policy zvinobetsera kudevelopa the country. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakumasection betudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.